Yo, YouTube and my Guap Nation family, how y'all doing today? Today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to lace your Jordan 6s, but with the lace lock. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm about to show you right now. I have one of my shoes already laced with the lace lock, as you can see, but basically, the lock is what's gonna be tying the shoe. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that with your 6s just to get them right, just to try something different if you're looking to lace your 6s a different type of way. And for the lacing method, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do it with my Jordan 6 Chrome. The only reason why I'm using these is because these are the only 6s that I have right now on me. So I gotta do what I gotta do, you feel me? But basically, this is the look. So I'm about to show y'all how to get this. And yeah, let's get into it. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you're a returning member of the Guap Nation family, I appreciate you. And let me show y'all how to do it. Also, just to let y'all know, I'm gonna have an on foot portion at the end just so y'all can see what it looks like on foot. Just wanted to throw that out there, but now let's get into the method. What you wanna do is start out by putting your laces through the first hole. So that's what we're gonna do. And you know, obviously you don't wanna skip this part because you can't lace the shoe without putting it through the first hole. But make sure that the laces are even when you pull it through, so that way you'll have an even pull, because you don't want your laces like one side longer than the other. Make sure they're flipped the right way. And then all we're gonna do is just lace it regularly all the way up to the top. So let's get to it. And by the way, if you know me, I always say leave some room with the laces. Go back and pull. You do not want the sir yes sirs. I will say this every lacing video, cause I stand on that. Like, you do not want them super tight laces looking like you about to go to boot camp or something. That's not the look that we going for. If you like that, you know, to each his own. Do what you do, but I'm not stepping outside like that. But continue to lace all the way up to the top. And now the worst part about lacing 6s is going under this tab, bruh. Oh my gosh, like, I don't know why, but it's just such a pain to do it. It's like, why y'all gotta make it this hard? Pause. But why y'all gotta make it so difficult to get it through the tab? I literally gotta feel it through. But, and I know a lot of people, y'all also have problems when it comes to doing this part as well, when it comes to lacing 6s. I get comments that tell me that. But the best advice I got for you is, you just gotta see it through. The only way you're gonna get this method to work is if you can get it through that tab. So, you know, just try to feel it through. That's really the best advice I got for you. All right, now lastly, you wanna put it through the last 2 holes. Like that. Once you get it to the top, get the laces flipped right, and now you wanna stop right here, and this is where you grab your lace lock. All you wanna do is take your lace lock and put each side through. So like that. And then like that. And bam. There you go. Now you got it tied through the lace lock. So now we're gonna bring the camera back up here. Now that both shoes are done, as you can see, you don't have to worry about tying them when you put them on. You literally can just adjust how you want them to fit on your foot by the lace lock. You can pull it towards your foot or away from it if you want more room or you want them tighter. But yeah, that's the method. That's how you lace your Jordan 6s with the lace lock. So if y'all found this helpful or anything like that, leave it down in the comments down below. Let me know how this method worked for you. We about to get into this on feet portion so y'all can see what they look like. And again, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And until next time, we out of here. Let me know if this helped you.